welcome to today's podcast. And today we're going to continue looking at the subject of using AI to help in understanding orbs. And what we're going to do today briefly is I've taken a video of an orb at night moving behind the top of a pine tree far away from the camera lens, and I've uploaded that to Grok and asked it some questions to help see if the way I viewed what I had captured is similar to or different from the way AI would interpret it. And here are some questions that I ask. I'll show you the video. You can watch it. And then after you watch it, I'll tell you some of the questions that I asked. Here are some of the questions that I asked AI about the video. The first thing was, what do you see in the video? And it gave me some very helpful answers. The second thing I asked is, how far away was the circular object that was captured in the video? And how far away was the top of the tree in the video? I then asked, did the object that was moving through the sky, the orbicular, the orb, the circular object, did it move behind the pine tree? Another question I asked it is, was the object reacting? Meaning, did it appear to be living, or did it appear to be inanimate? And so Orb addressed that as well. And then I just asked it, do you think the object moving behind the pine tree was living, or do you think it was inanimate? And so those are some of the questions that I asked AI about the video. And for me, the answers that I got confirmed with my interpretation of what I saw on the video. The answers I got did confirm that the object was moving behind the pine tree, far from the camera lens. It was about 60 feet away from the camera lens, and it was about 30 feet high in the air. It also confirmed the size of the object. It wasn't minute like a speck of dust, but it said it was 3 to 6 feet across as it moved through the sky and went behind the pine tree top. It also implied that it was animate, not inanimate, because of the direction it went one way and then the other way, and then its continued movement did not meet with something being blown around by the air, but it appeared to have movements that were intentional, therefore confirming that it was an animate creature and not something inanimate. And so what I do, not only with that video, but with others, is ask these questions when I upload the video or I upload the photograph.